Hello students. So let's continue the problem on the discount. So here I have taken the next problem on the discount. Problem number 3 is the problem is the cash price of an article is rupees how much 441 when cash discount of 2% was allowed. Question is find the least price if trade discount of 10% is allowed. Right? What they have asked here, they are asking to calculate what is the least price. Now in previous two sums we have seen when least price is given, how to calculate the cash price or the net price. Now in this problem they have given you the cash price. They have given you the cash price or the net price and they are asking to calculate what is the least price. So whatever they have given 441, this is which price it is? This is the cash price. So to determine the cash price, what we do on the given list price, we give the discount, trade discount, that way minus we get the invoice price. And on invoice price we allow the cash discount. What a cash discount comes, the same we deduct from the invoice price to get the cash price. This is the procedure. Now what you have to do, now cash price is given and we have to determine the list price. So the actual cash price is how much? It is 441 and I want to calculate what is the least price. What is the least price? It is not given here. So what you have to do here? Here we know what is the cash discount and the trade discount. Trade discount is 10% and cash discount is 2%. So here discounts are known but least price is not known. So what I will do? I will assume the least price. As least price is not given, so I will assume my least price as what it is 100. Suppose my least price is 100 rupees. If my least price is 100 rupees and suppose the trade discount is 10% and cash discount is 2%, so I can easily determine what should be my cash price now. Right? That is as per my assumption. Means that whatever cash price or net price you will get, right? That is the net price or cash price if our least price is 100. But what is the actual cash price given in the problem? It is 441. So suppose least price is 100. On 100 rupees you have to give 10% trade discount. So you have to calculate 10% on what? 100 rupees. So 10% of 100 rupees comes to how much? It is 10 rupees. So this 10 rupees if you minus from the least price, we get invoice price as how much? 90 rupees. And on 90 rupees we give the cash discount, how much it is? 2%. So you have to calculate 2% on what? 90 rupees. So it comes to 1 rupee 80 paisa. Cash discount comes to 1 rupee 80 paisa. So 1 rupee 80 paisa you minus from what it is? Invoice price. From 90 you minus 1 rupee 80 paisa. So you get 88 rupees 20 paisa as what it is? Cash price. This is the cash price. But this is the cash price when our least price is 100. This is as per our assumption. Right? As per my assumption. If I am assuming my least price is 100. If my least price is 100, so what would be my cash price if trade discount is 10% and cash discount is 2%? I can easily determine. So whatever calculation I have done here, this is as per my assumption. But what is the actual cash price given in the problem? It is rupees how much? 441. So if this is the actual cash price, so I want to calculate what should be the actual least price. Because as per my assumption, I know both what cash price as well as the least price. When 88 rupees 20 paisa is my cash price, at that time my least price must be 100. Then only I get 88 rupees 20 paisa as my cash price, otherwise no. So how I can put the equation? Here which price is known? Here invoice price is known. So as invoice price is known, so you have to start with the invoice price. So when my not invoice price, cash price. So my cash price, when my cash price is 88 rupees 20 paisa, at that time what should be my least price? 100. When 88 rupees 20 paisa is my cash price, at that time my least price must be 100. This is as per my assumption. What I want, if my actual cash price, the actual cash price given in the problem is 441. If this is the actual cash price, then what must be the least price? So my least price must be 441 into 100 divided by 88.20. So if you multiply and divide, you will get the least price. So this is how we have to determine the least price. Understood? So let's start with the solution. So here least price is not given, so I am going to assume that least price as 100. So let the least price be rupees 100. Now suppose my least price is 100. So if my least price is 100, so I want to determine what should be my cash price, so that I can determine very easily, because trade discount and cash discount is already given in the problem. So let's calculate the cash price. So first, what do you find? First you have to find out the trade discount. So calculate the trade discount. So trade discount is how much here? 10%. So you have to calculate 10% on what? On the least price. And what is the least price we have assumed? It is 100. So on 100 rupees calculate 10%. So if you calculate 10% on 100 rupees, it comes to 10 rupees. So 10 rupees is my trade discount. So if trade discount is 10%, sorry, trade discount is 10 rupees. So calculate what should be the invoice price. So how to determine the invoice price? Invoice price equals to, what you have to do, from the least price. From the least price you minus the trade discount. So my least price is 100 and trade discount is how much? 10. So minus it, you will get 90 rupees. So 90 rupees is my invoice price. Now invoice price is known. So they have given cash discount also, and cash discount is always given on which price? Invoice price. So now you calculate the cash discount. So cash discount is equal to, it is 2% of 90 rupees. 2% of 90 rupees, if you calculate, so you will get 1 rupee 80 paisa. Cash discount comes to 1 rupee 80 paisa. So if cash discount is 1 rupee 80 paisa, so find out what should be the cash price. What should be the cash price? So how we calculate cash price? Cash price is nothing but, it is invoice price, right? Invoice price minus cash discount. So what is my invoice price here? 90 rupees. From 90 rupees you minus 1 rupee 80 paisa. It is cash discount. So if you minus, so we will get 88 rupees 20 paisa. So what should be my cash price? 88 rupees 20 paisa when my least price is 100. This is all as per my assumption. But what I want, if my actual cash price is 441, what must be the least price? I know what is my least price when my cash price is 88.20. So from this I can easily determine, if the actual cash price is 441, what should be my least price. So for that we need to put the equation, right? We need to put the equation. So how equation you have to put? So here which price is given? Cash price is given, so you have to start with the cash price. The equation is when cash price is 88 rupees 20 paise, at that time what must be the least price? The least price is how much? 88 rupees, sorry, my least price. What is my least price here? 100 rupees. When 88 rupees 20 paise is my cash price, at that time my least price must be 100. So what I want when my actual cash price, is rupees, how much it is? 441, which is given in the problem here, right? It is 441. So what must be the least price? So what must be my least price? It is 441 into 100 divided by 88.20. So 441 into 100 divided by this 88.20. So multiply this and divide by 88.20. So equal to, you will get rupees how much? 500. So what must be the least price of that? Article it is rupees 500. So just below this you can write, therefore the least price, therefore the least price of an article is rupees 500. So this is how you have to calculate the least price for the given cash price. So like problems they will ask in the exam for 5 months. So I hope this is clear to you all how to find out the least price. So I'll take one more sum on this. So here is the next problem on this, the discount. It is problem number 4 it is. Same problem I have taken here, only the price is different and rate of discounts. So a trader allows 20% on the lease price and further discount of 5% for cash. Question is, what is the least price of goods sold for a net amount of rupees 91 rupees 20 paisa? So when those goods are sold for a net amount of 91.20, they are asking what should be the least price, right? They are asking what is the least price of goods. So here again, trader is giving 20% on the least price. 20% on the least price means whatever discount is given on the least price is called as what? Trade discount. And further discount of 5% for cash. So if that person is ready to make the payment in cash, so one more discount is given, that is called as cash discount. So here they have given both the discount, trade discount and cash discount. And they have given us the net amount. Net amount means net price. Net price is also called as the cash price or the selling price. So from the given net price, we have to determine what should be the least price. So again in this problem, they have given the net price and they have asked to calculate the least price. So least price is not known here. So again I am going to assume my least price as 100 as we did the previous problem. So in the same manner we have to do or we have to solve this problem. So let's start with the solution. So here least price is not given. So again I will assume my least price as 100. Let the least price, let the least price be rupees 100. So what I want, if my least price is 100 and trade discount is 20% and cash discount is 5%, so what must be the net price that I want to calculate? So first we calculate the trade discount. So trade discount is equal to, how much you have to find? You have to find 20%. 20% on what? On this lease price. So if you calculate 20% on 100 rupees, so it comes to how much? 20 rupees. So what is the trade discount? 20 rupees. So if trade discount is 20 rupees, find out what should be the invoice price. So invoice price, how to determine the invoice price? From the least price, you have to minus the trade discount. So what is my least price here? 100 and trade discount is how much? 20. So minus it, you will get how much? 80 rupees. So my invoice price comes to 80 rupees. Now if your invoice price is 80 rupees, so here they have given cash discount also. So and cash discount is always allowed on the invoice price. So now you calculate the cash discount. Now on this invoice price, you have to remove 5%. So 5% of 80 rupees. So 5% on 80 rupees, it comes to how much? 4 rupees. So if cash discount is 4 rupees, so I want what should be my net price. So how to calculate the net price? Net price is equal to, from invoice price, you have to minus the cash discount. So what is my invoice price here? 80 minus cash discount is 4 rupees. So 80 minus 4 will get how much? It is 76 rupees. So 76 rupees is my net price. So when we get net price 76, when our lease price is 100. Right? So what I want, if my net amount is 91.20, what must be the lease price? To find out the lease price of this net price, this assumption we have done. Right? So here we know both the prices, lease price and the net price. So this is the net price when this is the lease price. So I want when this is the net price, what should be the lease price? So for that we need to put the equation. So how equation we have to put here? So equation is when net price is rupees 76 at that time, what should be my lease price? So my lease price must be rupees how much? 100. So what I want, when my actual net price is rupees 91.20, then what must be the lease price? So what must be the lease price? It is 91.20 into 100 and is divided by what? It is 76. So multiply and divide. So it comes to rupees 120. Yeah. So what must be the lease price? It must be 120. So just below that you can write, therefore the lease price is rupees how much it is? 120. Yeah. So I hope this is clear to you all how to find out the lease price. Or we'll continue with the next problem. So here is the next problem on it is discount. Problem number 5 is, so problem is a merchant marks at 50% above cost price and allows 20% trade discount and a further discount of 5% for cash payment. Question is, find his percentage of profit. So in this problem they have asked you to calculate what is the rate of profit. So in the previous sum we have seen from the given mark price how to find out the cash price or the net price, or from the given cash price or net price how to calculate the lease price, mark price or the catalog price. Now here what they have given, there is a merchant and who has marked his article for sale at 50% above the cost. 50% above the cost means what? So at what price he has purchased that article, right? So while selling that article, he has increased his cost. He has increased his cost by 50%. Means for example, if he has purchased an article for 100 rupees, now he want to sell this. How he want to sell? So well, before selling that, first he fixed the price. Means what he does, he increased this cost price by a certain limit. So what does said here, he has marked his article 50% above the cost. Means he has increased this cost by this 50. 50% is 50% of 100 is 50. Means he has marked his article for sale at what it is? 150 rupees. That is the meaning. So a merchant marks at 50% above the cost. Means he has increased his cost by 50 rupees, right? For sale. So whatever 150 we have got, this is the price fixed for it is sale. That price we call it as what it is? Lease price, mark price or the catalog price. So here lease price is what it is? 100. So you have to assume your cost price. You have to assume your cost price as 100. And what you have to do, you have to increase this cost by 50%. So 50% of 100 rupees, if you calculate, you get 50 rupees. Add that 50 rupees in cost price, 100 rupees, you will get the lease price. So 150 is called as the lease price. So on this lease price, what he is doing, he is allowing 20% trade discount and further discount of 5% for cash. So if he is giving 20% trade discount and 5% cash discount, so we have to find out what is his net, find his percentage of what it is profit. What is the rate of profit earned by that merchant, that we have to calculate. So here, what you have to do, here they are not given the lease price. Here they are not given the lease price. So to find out the lease price, first what you have to do, you have to assume the cost price, because what he has done, whatever article he has purchased, means at what price he has purchased the article, so for selling he has increased that cost by 50%. So let's assume he has purchased that article for say it is 100 rupees. So I'll assume the cost price. Let the cost price be rupees 100. Right? Now you want to sell this. So how you want to sell? Before selling you fix the price of that article in such a way that after giving some discount to your customer you have to get some profit. Like that price we fix, that is called as list price, mark price or catalog price. So how he has fixed the price? It is 50% above the cost. So you have to find out what? You have to find out the list price. So it is list price. How to find? In cost price we have to add 50%. So it is 50 rupees. 50% is per 100 rupees 50 rupees increase. So it is 100 plus it is 50, we get how much it is? 150. So 150 is what? That is the list price. So he has marked the article for sale at 150 rupees. And on this he is giving the discount. So first he is giving what? 20% trade discount. And trade discount is always allowed on which price? List price. So my list price is how much? It is 150. So on this one you calculate the trade discount. So trade discount is equal to, now you calculate 20%. 20% of it is 150. So 20% of 150, it comes to rupees how much? 30 rupees. So first he is giving 30 rupees discount. So if he is giving 30 rupees discount, so find out what should be the invoice price. Invoice price is equal to, what you do? From the list price. From the list price you minus the trade discount. So my list price is how much here? 150 minus trade discount is how much? 30 rupees. So if you minus, our invoice price comes to this 120 rupees. Yeah. Now invoice price is known. So again he is giving what? 5% cash discount. And cash discount is always allowed on which price? Invoice price. So now you calculate the cash discount. So cash discount is equal to, you have to calculate 5%. 5% on what it is? Invoice price. What is my invoice price? 120. On 120, 5% you calculate. So if you calculate 5% on it is 120 rupees. So you get rupees how much it is? 6. Yeah. So again he is giving 6 rupees cash discount. So if he is giving 6 rupees cash discount, so I want what should be the net price, cash price or the selling price. So now you have to determine the selling price. Selling price, or you can also call it as the cash price or net price. Meaning of all three terms is what is same here. So selling price or cash price is nothing but that is invoice price. Invoice price. From invoice price you minus the cash discount. So what is my invoice price here? 120 rupees. And cash discount is how much here? 6 rupees. So if you minus this, it comes to 140 rupees. So here that merchant has marked his article for sale at 150 rupees. And on this 150 rupees, he is giving what? Trade discount 30 rupees and cash discount 6 rupees. And after giving both the discount, so he is selling that article for what it is? 140 rupees. So when we have assumed the cost price as how much here? 100 rupees. So 100 rupees article, after giving the discount, he is selling for 140 rupees. So when 100 rupees article it is sold for 114 rupees, so naturally he is in profit only, means he is earning 14 rupees extra. So that profit I would calculate. So now you calculate the profit. So how to determine the profit here? Profit is nothing but it is selling price minus what it is? Cost price. Or my selling price is how much here? 114 minus cost price is how much here? 100. So my profit comes to how much it is? 14 rupees. Yeah. So this is the profit, right? This is the profit. So what they have asked here? Find his percentage of profit. Percentage. So percentage means what it is? Per 100. Anything which is expressed per 100 we call it as what it is? Percentage. So whatever profit is getting 14 rupees, this is the profit earned per 100 rupees only, because we have assumed the cost price is 100. So 100 rupees gives him 14 rupees extra. This is the profit per 100, and anything which is expressed per 100 we call it as what it is percentage. So whatever profit you have got 14 rupees, so directly you can express this in form of what it is percentage. So what is the find this percentage of profit they have said. So what is the rate of profit here? 14%. So this problem also they have repeated so many times in the exam. So at last, at the end, you can write there, right? Therefore, the rate of profit is 14%. Okay? So this is how you have to find out the rate of profit. So I hope these sums are clear to you all. So in the next video or in the next class, so I will come with some more problems on this discount. Thank you.